Only you swing the way you do. She releases earlier. He swings steeper. That's why we invented Control, a new biokinetic sleeve that trains every golfer differently. Control is equipped with 2 sensors that read your swing, so we can provide real-time, individualized feedback after every swing through an easy app. While other tools rattle off statistics, Control advises you like a good caddy. From the get-go, our algorithm takes cues from you. Tell us what club you're using and your goal, then swing. In as few as 30 swings, we'll know what your perfect swing looks like, so we can help you practice your perfect. Our smart swing technology focuses on the secret sauce of a good swing: club face, club path, and tempo. If your club face is misaligned, our app will correct you. In plain English, if your club path looks like this, our app will have the answer. If your tempo is off, Control will help you tweak it. With Control, you can master multiple swings: draw, straight, fade. It's your game. We're just here to help you perfect it and track your consistency. Our biokinetic sleeve breathes easy and travels well, so you can turn any place into a driving range. Just snap in the sensors, double tap, and it's time to rock and roll, like only you can. Control. Practice your perfect.